Good morning, hi, welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. It truly means a lot to me. Maybe you've noticed from the previous video I look identical, and that's just because I recorded a morning routine the previous video. As you can see from the title of this video is just about why you shouldn't care what people may say or may think about you. So, okay, first things first, okay? I just want to let you know, I'm not saying that, take these points and go with it, but just consider them. That's the first thing. If you can do anything, just consider them. As human beings, we do tend to care. We do want to be accepted and just appreciated. So, our point number one, is that what may be good for other people may not be good for you. Now, you have to remember that we are all individuals. Like, there's literally just one of you in this entire world. So I may like strawberries, you may hate strawberries, but that doesn't mean that you have to like strawberries just because I like strawberries, if that makes sense. We all like different things. We are literally individuals, like different things. We approve of different things. So you shouldn't stop doing something, or you shouldn't stop liking something just because somebody doesn't approve of it. It's their opinion, and it's okay for everybody to have their opinions, but you have to remember you are an individual. You will like different things. Not everybody will like everything that you like. Not everybody will approve of everything that you approve of, and that's okay. Think about it as in, like, even identical twins, for example. They're in the room together, they live the whole life together. They live their whole 9 months in the room together. One likes pudding, one doesn't like pudding. They're identical twins. If identical twins can literally look exactly the same but like completely different things, what makes you think that you are going to a stranger's opinion, or what a stranger likes is what you're going to like? Remember, you are an individual. There is just one of you, and you are your own person, and what somebody will like doesn't mean you have to like it, because you are your own person. You are your own bloody person. Point number two. It is your life. I don't know how clearer I can make that. It is your own life. You have the wheel. Like, this is your story. It is your documentary. It is your movie. Do not let anybody direct this movie for you, because at the end of the day, if this movie fails, or if this movie dies, or if this movie goes down the drain, you will have to pay the prices, not anybody else. So why let somebody influence your story? Like, I mean, it is as blunt as it goes. It is your own bloody life. Do whatever you want with it. See, we all have problems. Some of us may have a lot. No. We all have problems, and my problem is not your problem. And even if you did like me, at the end of the day, it is still my problem, So I have to do what I need to do in order to help my problem. Nothing you say or do, like, you may help in some way, like emotionally, maybe even physically, you may be able to help, but at the end of the day, I make the final decision. It is your life. Do what you want to do with it. Don't let anybody drive your car, your wheel, write your story, direct your movie, bloody do whatever they want to do, because it's yours. Because at the end of the day, you get to pay the price and they don't. Just be mindful of that, like, it's your life. Point number 3, and this is our final point, and numéro 3. this is probably my favorite one. Point number 3. Your mind does the work sometimes quite a lot, and sometimes it's not even the people. Yeah, it's your mind. Your mind sometimes will tell you certain things that's not even true. Have you ever come across like just walking down the streets and no, but whenever you're walking down the street and you see somebody and they look at you, and then obviously, you know, your mind's like, oh my god, like, why are they looking at me like that? Oh my god, why? But really, this person probably just like, oh my god, this girl looks so cute, you know? Like, oh my god, she's so cute. Your mind plays a big part in how you think and how you feel and your emotions, you know? So this is where you really have to start controlling this tool you have. Put in the positive thoughts, you know. So if you go past somebody on the street and your mind says, oh my god, why are they looking at me like that, you know, you can say, no, this person is very nice, you know. They're probably just like, oh my god, she's so cute, you know, or he's so cute, or whoever, or they're so cute. You gotta remember that, like, this is the tool, you are the master, you gotta control it. You're probably creating all these problems in your life, you know, like your mind is probably just like, I'll feed you stuff, you know, and you think of it like that, whatever. But at the end of the day, you are the master. Control your mind. You really have to, you know, become the master of your mind and just take control of the mind, because if not, it will destroy you, and it will mentally, physically, emotionally destroy you. So take control of your mind, okay? And you will be so much happier. I will see you next week on my week 2 update. I have so much to update you for week 2. Oh my god, it's been better though, definitely better. Do keep an eye on that video. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. Thank you so much for clicking on it even in the first place. It truly means a lot to me. See you next week and take care for now. Bye bye.